guys, so I'm filming a spend my birthday with me vlog. It is the 5th of December and it is the first day at my new job, which is really exciting. I am all dressed up, office profesh and ready to go. I have got my like vintage, it's not vintage, secondhand Alexander Wang bag, all fits my laptop in, which is amazing. I'm getting a new bag for my birthday, which I think is going to be my like work bag, but I don't have that yet and I need to get a case for my laptop as well. I'm actually in a bit of a rush, so I won't keep you long, but I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing today, and let's see if we can film it here. No. Does that work? Just about. So I'm wearing this skirt, which is from the Marni Uniqlo collection. It's actually new in, I bought it recently. When the collection came out, it's so nice. If you're looking to buy it, I've got it in a small. I've also got, oh no, I think it's a medium actually, because I wanted it oversized. I've got black tights and black socks on for warmth, and then this little top is secondhand. I think it's like Miss Selfridge or something, but it was like 99p in a charity shop. But I love the puff sleeve, so dramatic. I'm then gonna wear it with this oversized kind of jacket over and a big scarf, and also my little like Marni, my real Marni, not Uniqlo Marni, my Marni loafers as well. So yeah, that's the OOTD for today. I'm gonna have to find a better place to do these. Oh, and then I'm wearing these like chunky earrings as well, and all my normal jewelry. I don't, maybe I should do a round of what my normal jewelry is. This is the Great Frog. This is like passed down from a family member. This is the Gucci Ghost ring. This is Sachet, I think that brand is. It's like a sustainable jewelry brand. And then this was Amber from Prague. Let's go. Hi guys, it is my birthday! We are just about to head out for lunch. I've been doing some work this morning, been a busy gal. We're just about to head out for some lunch and a little spot of shopping, which will be really good fun. I'm going to show you what I'm wearing, and I'm going to show you my first present and how cutely my living room is decorated as well. So this is the look for today. I'm wearing a bodysuit, which is from H&M, but kind of looks a little like the Skims one, but definitely not, doesn't feel the same as the Skims piece. I then got some Levi's on, which was second hand, and then I've got a studded belt, which I think is very cool, and I've got like biker boots on. I'll try and show you a full view. No. No. This might just have to do. That's the look. And I'm gonna put my fluffy leopard coat on over. So fun, so cute. I'll show you my living room. This is what I think I'm going to wear out for dinner tonight. It's Love and Lemon's dress from Vinted. And it doesn't look like much on the hanger, but you'll see this on me on Saturday. This is a Sousa Moussa dress. That Pete, oh it is it inside out? Sousa Moussa London. It's this really cool sustainable brand that Pete got me for my birthday. And it looks unreal on. I think I'm going to need to get another few pieces. What is this little mark? Oh, it's a few bar pieces from here, but it's like all open on the sleeve. It's so cool. I'll show you it on Saturday because it's what I'm wearing for my birthday, but I don't think this hanger's doing it any justice, so I'm going to take it off. My birthday decorations. That is the washing line because we do need to hang our washing, but those so cute. Thank you, Petey. And then some more here, and we're going to put some more up my, oh, and balloons as well that match. So cute, so cool, so fun, so fresh. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, not welcome back, is it? Because I've been so terrible at filming that this is going to be the same birthday vlog that I started on Monday. It's now Friday. I have been a terrible vlogger. It has been, what was I going to say? It's just been an absolutely manic week, like unbelievably busy. I started 2 days a week at my new job, which was so exciting and so fun, but just mental, and I have been like out every single night. I am truly exhausted now, but I thought I would show you a little bit of like what I got for my birthday, because that's a fun thing to do, and then hopefully I'll just take you on my day with me and take you on my day while that plant really needs watering. That's on the to-do list. All the plants need watering, but today I'm actually working from home for my second job, so I'm going to get some like house stuff done, do a bit of a food shop, because it's gone awry. It's gone totally awry. Life has gone awry, so it needs to deal with the flat basically. I've got my sister here because she was at her work Christmas party last night around the corner from where we live, so she stayed at mine. And I think I'm gonna try and convince her to go get some lunch with me in a bit. But at the moment, making us coffee, and I'll show you what I got for my birthday. So my first gift I want to show.
I don't be in there.
You're not. Hold on. No, you're not in it. My first gift I want to show you is my new handbag. This was from my mum. It is the Longchamp. I think it's called something Pillage. That doesn't sound right, does it?
I have no idea.
It's the Longchamp bag, the one that folds up. And I don't know if this is new, but Laura gave me her old one that I've been using. Do you want that back now?
No, you keep trying to force that bag on me.
It's an amazing bag. I don't think anyone.
12 years old.
Oh, I've got a new one.
Bag's older than probably some people watching your vlog.
They've now got the no, my age range on my vlog is like 29 to 35 or something.
That's weird, mate.
So they've got like the Longchamp logo on it, which is well cute. And I got the black on black on black, which my mum found so hilarious because I was like, I really wanted to make, like, I love these bags. I think they're bloody amazing, especially now I'm going into the office. But I think this black on black on black one is so chic. I will leave it linked down below. And also it's got this like orange on the, not orange, what am I talking about? That's green. Huh?
That's not black.
What?
That bit.
No, it's cool, isn't it?
It's black and black and black.
Black on black on black. But I love it. I love this bag so much. And it's got, yeah, all my work bits and bobs.
You should throw this into a what's in my bag video.
There's so much in here, it's not good. It wouldn't be a good look for me.
Why is that ever a thing?
There's trolls in my bag. Do you want a troll?
Why do you have trolls?
Because they were our prizes for the games we were playing at our Christmas party yesterday.
So cute.
And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna do like Bad Santa for Pete's family for Boxing Day. And I was thinking these could be one of the prizes.
You have to put something with them, like some snackers.
No, because the point is, if you get these, they're like a booby prize. So you're gonna want to steal one of the good prizes. Keeps it fun, keeps it exciting. They're gonna be a booby prize. So yeah, instead of buying everybody proper presents and like spending a whole load of cash on like bits and bobs of people that they maybe don't want, I'm going to make it into a game so that we all have fun and do something silly on Christmas. And some people get a good present and some people don't.
Your boyfriend's oversized family.
Yeah, there's too many people to buy a whole present for everybody. Like, yeah. So this bag, amazing, oversized family, just because we're from a small family. Every family is oversized. And then
his is especially.
His is massive. Yeah, he's from like both his parents have lots of siblings. And then Laura got me the Frank Green water bottle. If you know this, it's kind of the like, people on TikTok call it an emotional support water bottle because it's like the trendy girl who goes on hot girl walks water bottle. And it's a ceramic massive water bottle, and you can pick which colours. You have the lid and the body, so you can make whatever cool colour combo you want. I've gone for this little pastel dream. I think they are about £38 though, aren't they? So
they're 35 plus £5 delivery. Yeah.
35 plus it's a £40 water bottle, but I will treasure it with all my heart. I'm not going to break it. I love it so much. And yeah, I love it to the point that I have bought a matching laptop case to this colour of lid because I just want to be that girl, you know. It's so cute. I am obsessed. I'll leave it linked down below as well if you're interested in it. You can also get the coffee cups, so I'm thinking for Christmas I might buy myself the matching coffee cup.
You should have told me then, because then they could have got you a multi-pack.
There was a multi-pack?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you already spent 40 quid on a water bottle. I can't make you buy the cup as well.
Yeah, but I could have got the multi-pack.
No. I didn't know they did that.
I don't think it'd be able to get it in the colours you want either.
What, the...
I don't think you can choose on the multi-pack.
Oh. Well, I'm quite specific about this colour palette. And... Oh yeah, I've got other stuff to show you, but it's not in here. So let's continue the tour of Ellen's presents. My sisters. I keep calling my boyfriend's sister. I keep swapping that round and saying my sister's boyfriend.
Yeah. Andy got you a clip.
And then that would be Andy. Yeah. That doesn't make any sense. Got me the cutest clip. I need to get the brand name actually because it is unreal quality. Like, it's just holding my hair on an elite level. It is called Tort is the brand. And it's like, you know, very Matilda Jeff vibes. T-O-R-T. And Laura's going to film the clip to show you. Will you be able to show them? Oh, there you go, so you can actually see what you're doing.
This is terrible lighting. Oh my god, that was the worst thing I've ever filmed. Wait, come back. Come over here.
Okay, I'll come over there. Can I just say this room's a mess because Laura's staying?
Oh, but no, none of this mess is mine other than the fact that I'm working from bed.
Okay. Can you show the clip?
Can you stop fidgeting?
Can you see it?
No, it's not focusing on your clip.
Tap on it, tap on it.
I'm trying. It's not tapping.
Okay, let's try starting again. Can you see it?
There we go.
Prettiness. It is so pretty, isn't it? So that's the clip, and Tort is the brand. Everything I've got I'll link down below because they are, I guess, good gift ideas as well.
Oh, so yeah, now you're fuzzy.
I'm going to show you the mugs. These glasses all got me to dilate. I got, I don't know if I showed this, but Pete put up this gorgeous birthday banner. So cute. And then like there's like these little decorations here, that I'm keeping them up for my actual birthday party, which is tomorrow, and like I've got lots of flowers everywhere, so these flowers actually go so beautifully with the birthday banner. And these are the glasses Laura got me. They're from Anthropology, and they are, oh, I love them so much. They're living on the bar cart at the moment, so they're going to be like special occasion glasses, but they're just beautiful. I love them. I did promise to make Laura a coffee, so let's go do that, and then I'll show you Andy's gift. And then my sister's boyfriend, Andy, absolutely smashed it. Actually, everybody absolutely smashed it, in all honesty. Like, these are all gifts from like my mum, my sister, my boyfriend's sister, like everybody that knows me really well. So it was like very relevant gifts. And this is the Sakura box, which is a massive box full of, he got a 40 pack full of Japanese snacks. So on here, I'm going to make a whole YouTube video about this, but on here it's got like the all about like what all the snacks are, because obviously I do not obviously, you might not know this, but I don't read Japanese. So here is all the snack info, and it's literally a whole box of Japanese snacks. I love like this sort of stuff, and I'm so excited to try it all. Yeah, and that'll be a whole video in itself, because I think that would be so fun. So it'll probably just be a bonus video. I don't know if it will make it will make a Monday one, but so cute and exciting. Hi guys, so it's Saturday, which is the day of my birthday party. I am dressed and ready for half of the day. We're going to head down to the high street and get some like paper plates, paper cups, paper napkins. Not the most sustainable thing, but I just think I don't have enough plates and cups and everything for everybody to go around, so we need to do that, and we're ordering pizza later for everyone, so they need something to eat it on. So gotta go do that, get some ice, get some mixers, that sort of thing, just party prep really. So I thought I'd take you along with me. I'm wearing, oh, I got a big, that actually looks way worse in the camera. I spilt on myself, but I'm wearing a cute outfit, so I'll show you. Wearing this Marni Uniglow thermal. It's got blue at the bottom as well. It's very cute, like colour blocking number. I love this. And then I was thinking this pink matches with this pink, so I've got my Zara Marine straight leg jeans on. Very cute. Some cute socks, and I'm going to put on Uggs and a really warm coat because it's like -2 outside. So let's do this. Hi guys, so it is like 5 o'clock now. We went out and got everything for people coming over. We've pre-ordered Domino's. You can hear the first round of the football. First round? I don't know. First game of the football going off as well. And I've got my ready to go out dress on. Let me see if I can show you here actually. Just about. It is this super cute little dress. I'm gonna try and get some pictures of her out and stuff, but it is so cute. I'm obsessed. Look how nice it makes my body look as well. So snatched. I'll try and snap it in the mirror as well, but it's from a brand called Susa Musa. They're a sustainable London brand, so I'll link it down below. And this was my birthday present from Pete. And it's got these cuffs, but you can still see all my tattoos as well, which I love. It's so cute. I love it. I feel so great, and I need to sort of get my hair and makeup and stuff done. But I'll probably just do that when everybody's here, honestly. I'm gonna go and get my hair dry though and put some oil in it and stuff, so it's soft, and then curl it when everyone gets here. And I'll show you what we picked up for the party as well. So I think I'd already shown my decorations, but Julian, my brother, and Pete, who's my boyfriend, if you didn't hear that, I always say names, but I haven't really just explained who they are, blew up all these balloons for the floor, which is so cute. I'm very it's a vibe. It's a big vibe. It's a big vibe. And then I'm gonna get this table all decorated and ready, and put all our, so this can have like drinks and stuff, and people can like grab plates and stuff from in here. And then if we go into the kitchen, I'll show you what we picked up. So I've actually ended up finding paper plates in Sainsbury's, but I'd already bought these like Christmassy ones before that, so the Christmassy ones are going up, going out. And then I got these napkins that say yay on them these are from Sainsbury's as well. They're so cute. And I got rainbow cups for everyone to have as well. These can actually be recycled apparently, even if they've been used, so that's a win. I still don't think the plates can, but at least one of the bits I've done can be. And then we picked up like some crisps and stuff, and I found this like soda water with lemon and lime in, so I can make vodka lime and sodas, which is great. And I also got a whole big thing of ice as well, so I'm just gonna put like all our mixers, all our drinks on the table, and maybe put like a Prosecco bottle and some stuff like that in the fridge as well, just so there's that sort of stuff ready to go. Yeah, just get a little bit organised really, so I'll show you that when it's all sorted.
The dog's better than poo?
I don't know. Em's birthday card to me is magical, and it will be going pride of place in the birthday card section.
Why is there a poo involved?
I don't know. What This woman keeps crashing. Hey everyone, it is Sunday. I'm hungover. I don't know why I started that with hey everyone, because like you've been here the whole time. I'm hungover. The flat is a state from having everyone here yesterday, and I need it to not be because it's gross. So the POA is to get the flat looking mostly black to normal, so that we can chill and watch a Christmas movie, because apparently it's going to snow later, and I just think that would be a massive vibe. It's not snowing yet though, but I think it'd be cute, so that's what I want to do. Whose jumper is this? This looks like Andy's. Yeah. Wanna watch a Christmas movie later?
Maybe.
Just maybe?
Maybe.
Why not? Maybe.
Need more information.
Maybe one with Lindsay Lohan in.
Maybe.
That's a no. So the flat is mostly all back to normal. We just got to take the bins out, and kitchen's sorted. We've managed to gain a whole bunch of alcohol, tonic waters and stuff, which I was in the process of trying to clear our bar cart. That's okay. And then the living room is back to normal as well. We're now gonna pop to Sainsbury's and get ourselves, we need bin bags and get ourselves something for dinner. We were gonna order ramen, but I'm thinking we can just make it, or we can get something else, so let's see. I kind of fancy something Asian, fried rice maybe. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, I think. I just sitting in the living room and watching telly. Yeah, basically just sitting in the living room, watching telly, chilling out, and I'm gonna make us carbonara in a bit, because I fancy like salty, carby goodness, and that's my favorite thing. So this actually is going live tomorrow, so it's pretty real-time styly. I have a few more Christmas presents I need to buy, so I'm gonna do a come thrift with me for my final Christmas present shops next week. I think that's what I'm gonna film. And I'm honestly like a bit bored of Instagram at the moment, so I need to get my mojo back when it comes to Instagram. So if you've got any ideas for content you want to see over there, or like that sort of thing. Oh, I've just realised my little brother's written like a thanks Els and Pete for having us on my like vision board, like my whiteboard, which is my vision board. That is so sweet. That's so sweet. Yeah, so that's kind of the end of the vlog, guys. I had such an amazing night last night. It's been a great birthday week. It's felt like really long and fun, and yeah, I love my birthday. What can I say? So yeah, I will catch you next Monday at 6.